I can taste you. I can taste.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ladur. I am getting ready to do the requested makeup tutorial. Lottie, you better be watching this because this is for you. I ain't no makeup artist, but I do my makeup, okay? And it be looking alright. Keep it real cute though. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you watch the video and you like it. More things to come. More things to come. It's 2023. We're being hella serious. Hella serious. We're not playing with ourselves no more. You feel me? So yeah, let's get into it. All right, so first thing first, when I am doing my makeup, I like to make sure that I start with a clean foundation, meaning my face is washed. I go in and I moisturize it. So I put on my oil, my moisturizer. I don't finish with my rose water spray because it be getting stuck and it be a mess. Okay, so firstly, I'm gonna go in with my primer. I am using the, how they be doing it on these shows? The e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. I've used this a couple times. It's really good. You don't need too much. A little bit takes you a long way. Yeah. Oh, I got this mirror right here. I forgot all about that. And between me and you, I got a bang, so I don't really need to worry about my forehead too much because it's going to be covered by the bang. Next, I'm going to go in with some type of luminous lotion. So today I'm going to be going in with this, and as you can see, you can get it from Rite Aid. It's a really pretty color. Don't worry about my batteries. I know y'all can see it. I ain't used this thing a day in my life. Next, you want to go ahead and start your brows. So you want to make sure your brows are brushed up. I have already done that, so I don't really got to do too much with it, thankfully. Then I am going to go in. I have this brow pomade that I kind of be using sometimes. This is the LA Girl Brow Pomade Warm Brown. Don't mind my nails. I have not gotten them done because I've been doing a lot of sewing. As you can see, I got my whole little setup in the back. If you're new here, make sure you check out allureladur.com. It is a lifestyle boutique. So with my eyebrows, I pretty much have a really good foundation, so I don't really be having to do too much. Eyebrows are really going to be hitting because I have a bang. So there's that. We need music. Sometimes, depending on how it comes out, how dark I want it, I'll go back in with a pencil. You can get any like dark brown pencil or any color that matches your shade at your local beauty supply. This kind of just helps with the definition. You want to make sure that you brush it out with a spoolie brush. That way it kind of blends whatever is there. And you don't have like these sharp lines. And if anything goes over like your lines, it's okay because you haven't went in with your concealer yet. The concealer is what's gonna clean it up and give it like that clean look and stuff like that. I'm gonna go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I did graduate from this to e.l.f. The quality of e.l.f. is really good. Wasn't expecting that. But yeah. I'm about to call this makeup for lazy girls because normally you should be using a brush, but like this is how I'm gonna do it because like I said, this is a tutorial for lazy girls. That's looking like something. Lazy or not, I know y'all see that working though. More than one way to skin a cat, man. More than one way to skin a cat. See how fast that is? All right, so to make sure it's in the middle, you kind of put a straight line and connect it. Learned that from my best friend. She's an actual makeup artist. All right, so once you're going with the concealer, you're kind of going to have something that's looking like this, just looking real crazy. That's okay. You're doing a good job. What you want to go ahead and do now is go in with your beauty blender and just blend it out. Or your brush, whatever you prefer. All right, so when you're done with your eyebrows and blending, it'll look something like this. It looks real natural. You feel me? Real natural. Okay, so because I'm going to be outside for a while today, I am going to put on some Milk of Magnesia. Just get there. There you go. So Milk of Magnesia, basically what this will do is it'll stop like the sweating and the oily look. Like, you know, people be in the clubs and be like, damn, how her makeup staying like that? It's hot as hell. But you over there sweating bullets. Like, this is the key. You can use this. You can use Pepto-Bismol. I think I seen somebody use calamine lotion before. You can use a couple of things. Okay, so you basically take like one of these little brushes that you have, pour some of the milk of magnesia into this. You really don't need that much. I get a little carried away sometimes. And then you just put it in, like, you know, wherever it is that you sweat the most, and you let it dry. All right, so once your milk of magnesia dries, you want to go in with your concealer and just line all the spots and then dab it, okay? So this is where you put all your lightest colors. Before you blend, you always want to make sure you spray with setting spray. I feel like we're getting somewhere. This isn't what they were playing before. Like, you feel me? Nothing too crazy, a little natural. I'm in love with the sound of the money. I'm in love with hitting the strip club, lemon pepper wings, magic on the Monday. I'm in love with the whole. Okay, so at this point I have to connect with my TikTok live. So this is the second concealer that I'm using. I'm going in with the lighter color and just going to those pivotal spots under my eye. I'm not doing the whole eye. I'm really just getting that highlight, kind of like the Kim K look, kind of like it. Okay, at this point we can see that it's coming through. It's really starting to get where it needs to go. You know, you got to trust the process. Okay, so now you're going to go in with your foundation, and you're really just going to put it in those spots where you're not going to have any concealer or any contour. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me. It is an amazing foundation. I've been using it for years now, and it is really, really, really good, and it's very inexpensive. I really don't have to do my forehead. That's what I'm trying to say, though. Like, you think that'd be messed up if I don't do it? It'll be a little joke between us. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with the blush. I like to mix blushes. The first blush we're going to use is by Covergirl. It gives you a really nice orangey red tone. Once you put the rest of your powder contour and stuff on top, it really blends really nicely. Here we're contouring our face with the darker shade, so I'm just showing you I'm using the HD brand. I am using a smaller brush to blend in my nose, and then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Blender for my cheeks and around the forehead and all those places. Once that is done, you're going to go in with your setting powder. I like to use a setting powder brush. In this case, I did use a Beauty Blender just because I was rushing and some of my brushes were still wet from washing it like a couple hours before. What you see me doing here is going in with an extremely light concealer on the nose to give that highlight without using an actual highlight. And it really just assists with getting the nose snatched. After that, you want to go ahead and just brush off all the excess setting powder and go back in with your powder contour. Anywhere you put cream, you want to put powder to help it set. So you'll see me go back in around the nose where I contoured with the dark colors, and then back again on the cheeks where I put the dark color. So this is me going back in with another blush, a lighter color. It's a beautiful light pink by Covergirl in the Love Me color. And then this is me going in with another darker blush that I can list in the comments. This is me just moisturizing my lips to prep for the eyeliner. I hate dry lips. I went back in with the concealer under where I contoured just for that extra shape and definition. This is optional, of course. You want to then go in with your highlighter and put it on your nose and right there a little bit above your cheekbone so it can just have that chef's kiss. So I decided I wanted to go back in and use my contour and blush as eyeshadow, and it came out bomb. Once you're finished, laying all your makeup down, it is very important to set your face so that it stays and that it doesn't rub off. Once that's complete, you can go back in and do your lips. I like to go in with my contour and then my lip pencil. It just gives it this extra ump. The lippies that I'm using here is actually a lip gloss brand called Pink Sorority that's actually made for children. But when I tell you these lip glosses are so bomb, they're so bomb and highly pigmented, and they last all day, like all day. Lastly, you don't want to forget to put your mascara on under your eye. Lashes and no mascara under your eye is crazy. And this is the finished look. What do y'all think? Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
I can taste your words. I can taste